Hey everybody, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at AGBA Group Holding Limited, ticker symbol AGBA, an old de-SPAC positive earnings, low float price continuation play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. This past week, for example, we called out VTGN at $1.49, and in one day it hit a high of $60. That's a 3,200% run, folks. We also did a review on and called NGX last week, the day before it ran 140%. And one of our viewers informed us that he caught 100% of the move and made $270,000 in one day. Yup. We are just made different. We just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we have also included a link to our membership website, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380, possibly more, episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with AGBA Group Holding Limited, ticker symbol AGBA, which is located in Hong Kong, China. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ financial services healthcare products company with a $54.68 million market cap and 152 employees. AGBA is an old de-SPAC that de-SPACed back in 2021. AGBA Group Holding Limited is a leading one-stop financial supermarket based in Hong Kong, offering a diverse set of financial and wealth management services and healthcare products in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. They enable their clients to unlock the choices through its tech-led systems that best fit their needs. It's trusted by over 400,000 individual and corporate customers. The group is also incorporated into 4 market-leading businesses: platform business, distribution, healthcare business, and the fintech business. AGBA was established in 2018. Now let's look at AGBA's most recent news. On August 11th, AGBA published its financial results for the second quarter of 2023. Its revenue for the second quarter reached $17 million, marking a significant increase of 57% growth compared to the first quarter of the year and 325% compared to Q1 to Q2. This big jump in revenue demonstrates the company's strong position in the Greater Bay Area market in southern China and the execution of its ongoing business strategies. It's important to note that AGBA is a low float stock, only 8 million shares. So AGBA's 10-day average is 381,000 shares. On Friday, August 11th, trading was at 1.3 million shares. This was almost 4 times the 10-day average for the stock, folks. It went up 36% after hours upon the news of the positive Q2 earnings. Now, this stock has many similarities to PWM, which was Prestige Wealth Inc., Wealth Management Inc. PWM was also a Hong Kong wealth management company that recently IPO'd. It also had a low float. And back in July 2023, it made a major run-up from $6 to $26. Now, the price of AGBA stock was pushed upward with the news of its Q2 earnings, and this could potentially keep the price moving upward next week if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. Now, in the recording of this video, August 12, 2023, the stock is now trading at $1.19. Undoubtedly, the positive Q2 earnings announcement, together with the fact that this is a low float stock and is a Hong Kong Chinese stock, that can move the price action upward for AGBA. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you could get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We're just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. In conclusion, AGBA Group Holding Limited, AGBA, is a publicly traded old de-SPAC NASDAQ company that is in the financial services, healthcare products sector. AGBA is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Will AGBA run parabolic? It will need volume, but who knows for sure? We are still in a choppy market. Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice, folks, and we are not pros. It's just my opinion, and I will have AGBA on my watch list. It's Double Moms, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.